Hi there, here I am at Hampstead Heath Station, and here we're in the shops by Hampstead Heath, which are very lovely. But we have this lovely old ghost sign, old advertising, which I love. LNER King's Cross for Scotland, shortest and quickest. So I'm not sure what LNER stands for. London North East region. But, yeah, lovely bit of history there. King's Cross for Scotland, shortest and quickest. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, please do like and subscribe. And that's the Hampstead Royal Free Hospital in the background.